Dear viewers, engineers especially, uh, as you know, I am uploading my lectures on my YouTube channel from time to time, and I hope you went through all my lectures. If not, please go through this link of my YouTube channel and see the lectures previously I have uploaded. At the same time, I'm thankful to all my viewers, all my friends, contractors, the project management companies, the architects, to boost my spread, to upload my lectures by subscribing my channel, liking my channel, and sharing my channel to as many as engineers, architects, and those who are affiliated with the construction field. So I am once again thankful to each and everyone, and I hope that you will consider liking my YouTube channel, sharing my channel, and subscribing my channel, because subscription will help me to boost up my lectures, and I can produce and upload more and more information regarding the technical and practical knowledge with respect to the construction industry. I am thankful to you once again. Thank you very much. In this topic of my lecture, I will discuss with you about the description of what is concrete cover. Concrete cover protects the reinforcement from corrosion and from rusting, because when you are placing this, and you can see in picture also, that when you are placing the concrete covers, it's not touching with the formwork or shuttering, and there is a gap between the reinforcement and the concrete. That is called the cover. So concrete cover insulates the steel extremely from heat, and it loses only 50% of strength if there is a fire in any concrete structure. The thickness and shape of the concrete covers is there in this picture also. You can see the picture, and there are thicknesses of this. There are different thickness of concrete covers which are placed on different section of the reinforced concrete, which I will show you in some chart also in upcoming slides. Thank you very much for watching and going through my slide. Thank you. With dear engineers, while you are working on a construction project, you have to consider about the thickness and spacing of concrete covers below the reinforcement, on the sides of the reinforcement, in different sections like the columns, slabs, beams, footings, staircase, shear wall, retaining wall, raft foundation, and bottom of the raft foundation and top of the raft foundation. So in this chart you can see the thickness, the cover for the reinforcement, between the reinforcement and the formwork for different structure is here. So you please follow these spacings and cover between the reinforcement and the shuttering, so that the reinforcement should not become rusty and corroded. Thank you very much for watching this slide also. Dear engineers, in addition to discussing about our discussion, regarding the concrete covers, in this slide I have added few points to be discussed regarding achieving good and quality concrete. So there are few points to be considered. You can go through these points. The concrete it should be really free from the defects, from the cracks, from the shrinkage cracks or surface cracks or any type of cracks to be avoided. Trap pockets, air pockets due to the evaporation and due to the water cement ratio if not controlled. And then there is one important point to be discussed is that all the contents of the concrete should be properly mixed, should be of best quality, and the proportions must be as specified by the structural engineer. Over and above, I wanted to discuss the requirement of the concrete as per the environmental conditions, because in hot season you have to maintain the temperature of the concrete, the water cement ratio of the concrete. You have to test the concrete time to time and period to period, take the cylinders or the cube molds and test the concrete from time to time while you are supervising any construction project. So these points are very important for you. So consider to follow all the points at your construction project. Thank you. Dear viewers, in this slide you can see the minimum concrete cover to the reinforcement. Depending upon different diameter of reinforcement bars, also depending upon the section like the columns, the beams, the slabs, the retaining walls and all other concrete structures. There is one chart also which shows different type of concrete blocks and their diameter and their thicknesses also is shown. So you can go through this slide carefully, read the slide carefully, and you can understand how the tensile strength adhered or other reinforcement in slab or retaining walls not less than 15 mm, in columns not less than 25 mm, in beams also not less than 25 mm. Concrete covers are to be provided. Also, as I said in my earlier slide also, you have to keep apart the distance of the reinforcement bar. One thing additional to this I would like to highlight that if there is a double layer of reinforcement, then you have to provide the chairs. The steel chairs are to be provided to separate both the layers of the reinforcement. So this point is not discussed in this slide, but I have just highlighted for you. Dear engineers, the architects, the contractors, the clients who wish to build a building, please be aware that I have created 2 YouTube channels. One is purely related to the civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, HVAC engineering, plumbing engineering, and all trades of engineering. The other channel is only the informative channel. So I am uploading my lectures on this engineering channel for the engineers who want to have some knowledge, practical knowledge and technical knowledge while they are working at the construction project. In this way, I would like to request all the engineers, the architects, the viewers, the clients, the contractors, project management companies, architectural companies to please, if you have subscribed my channel, liked my channel and shared my channel, please be considered to subscribing my channel, liking my channel and share my channel, which will be a lot for me and which will be a help for me. So the link for my YouTube channel for this engineering channel is in bottom of this slide, and I request you to once again to please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel. I would like to hear about that you have subscribed, liked, and shared my channel. At the same time, I would like to request that if you have any questions in your mind, the juniors, especially the junior engineers and junior architects, please feel free to write back to me and raise the questions so that I can improve my this task and my these lectures. Thank you very much.